go with the sausage and the boudin. That's the Kroger boudin right there. It's good though. Give it to me when I put it down. I got the sausage. They do. We got a little flame going on, and we got this big pit going over here. So we got to keep on going with it because we don't want to burn nothing. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna do this live. No, Duce is not gonna burn the meat. That will not happen. We is not burning meat out here. It's 4th of July. We light up fireworks, not the meat. Get that over here. Yeah, because it don't take much for these boys here. That's the beef sausage. You know they get ready because they start turning that that maple golden looking color. So I didn't want to leave it right there by the pit because once they start letting out the juices, whoo, look out. Old Frank Pesci over there on the phone playing around. Yeah, we over here. He was already working on one pit, and I just came over here to the second one. So it's like, hey, we got to get this going. So I'm moving. I'm moving that over there. See, I keep everything good. You recording? Yep. I keep everything good. Yes, I'm recording.
Oh, okay. You cooking some ribs, chicken. We got boudin, sausage, and we got some VIP shit. You can see later on what it is.
I let them see it's gonna be some smoked boudin going down from Best Stop, which we had showed them on the volume 1. We over here on volume 2.
I'm talking about the VIP right
Yeah,
there.
right there. That's the VIP action and stuff. See that there? That's beef patty stuffed with boudin. See that? That nice little price. And that's where you go, Best Stop. Or you can go right there, like I say. Hit them up. They'll send it to you. Or you can drive down there to Scott, Louisiana, I-10 East, exit 97, and go across, do the roundabout to the left, go above the overpass, and about a mile and a half up to your left, you see a red and white building. You ain't gonna miss it because the smoke gonna be bellowing, and there's gonna be people going in and out of there. And they got more than that. They got those cracklings that be going on. I'm telling you, you don't know what you're missing. Texas, y'all need to start getting hip to what's going on. Louisiana gonna take y'all food bearers away. See that? Them boys glazing up. Yeah, I see you. I see you. I'll put you over here. Put them over here because I don't want them to roll back down there. See? Time you got a cone of your meat, you know, your sausage and stuff on the grill. And that's what I'm doing for the moment. Some of them keep rolling back. Some of them trying to act up on me during the filming, but they won't be burnt, I'll tell you that. And right, we do cooking and grilling with Mr. Duce11 and Frank Pesci. We keep it going. But I know that heat is burning towards my hand. And see, if you're a person, I be telling people, if you're a hairy person, don't get too close to the grill because you're going to feel it. You know what I'm saying? The hairs on your arms or wrists or whatever you got, that's going you're going to feel that. See, them boudins, they there. They there. They solid as a rock. Hey, look at that. Them boys glazing up. See what I'm saying? They glazing up. Ain't no basin sauce on there yet. I ain't even done that yet. I ain't put my basin sauce on there. That's the thing. I ain't even put the basin sauce on the sausage. And then we put that them what you call it here, the smoked boudin patties on there. I might have to get me some foil because I don't want nothing to stick that I can't eat on there. You know what I'm saying? I want to eat the whole patty. So, cause say volume 2, cooking and grilling with Mr. Duce11 and Frank Pesci. That's right, Chef Frank Pesci.